Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you iCloud Share album not showing all photos and videos in iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Share album is a part of iCloud, so we need a stable internet connection. First of all, we have to make sure that we have a stable internet connection. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to the solutions. First we have to go to settings, then tap on your profile icon, then tap iCloud and tap photos. Now turn off iCloud photos and also shared album. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After that, go back to settings, profile, iCloud, photos and turn on iCloud photos and shared album. Now go back to Apple ID and tap sign out. Now put iPhone passcode and turn off by follow the instructions. In the end, do one more thing: setting, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings, iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.